Polychain monsters. If this game doesn't remind you of Pokemon, I don't know what will. I mean, look at this guy. He looks straight out of a Pokemon game. But I don't care. The artwork is sweet and the game looks super cool. If you're new to the channel, I am CryptoMan, your anonymous crypto gaming guide. If you want to stay up to date on the latest gaming news, sub to the channel and join us in the Elite Crypto League. So we are going over Polychain today. Polychain Monsters is actually a project that was released a couple months ago, back in April, but they launched a big staking platform on their website as part of the roadmap. It was officially launched this week, and that's why it's going viral across the internet. So we're going to cover that and also how to open Polychain Monsters so you can actually use their website and open your own NFTs. Okay, so first off, what is Polychain? So in their words, collect ultra rare digital monsters, grab Polymon, which is their token, and experience the thrill of unveiling ultra rare digital monsters only you can truly own. So it's like Pokemon almost. It's even got called Polymon. I mean, come on, they obviously modeled it after Pokemon, but that is cool because Pokemon is great and these are great too. So supercharge your collection and trade Polymon. Polychain monsters are beautifully animated digital collectibles, which they are, right? That's one of the highest quality NFTs I've seen in the space. Each Polychain monster is backed by a truly unique NFT and can be unpacked with Polymon tokens. So that's part of the thing I'm going to show later. You can actually use your Polymon tokens, open booster packs, and then gain Polymon NFTs. So you can see here they have all the rarities and different attributes, but what's cool is that they actually list them out here directly. So colors, you can have glitter, you can have ultra rare, and you can have horn, and they have a great rarity system on their website, which I'm going to show, which literally shows you the percent rarity for the different attributes of your NFTs right on their website. You don't need to go to some other website like OpenSea or Rarity Tools. You can just figure it out right on their website directly. Okay, so let's start out with what actually made them trend this week, which is the staking platform. Polychain Monsters releases a unique collect-to-earn approach to NFT staking. We are thrilled to release our unique approach to NFT staking, Collector Staking 1.0. The Collector Staking 1.0 will allow you to stake your collection and harvest rewards in the form of Polymon tokens. The amount of your NFT stake rewards depends on your collector score, which is calculated by the completion of collector challenges. The more challenges you complete, the better the score. So you actually stake your NFTs on here and you earn Polymon back, which I'll show you. The first challenge to be introduced is the Rarity Score Challenge. Within this challenge, you're rewarded for every non-special edition Polymon that you own. The number of points you earn is calculated based on the rarity of each single Polymon. So basically, the more rarities you own, and they'll have different challenges over time, it's going to depend on how many Polymon tokens you earn back. And that's actually the first that I've heard of any NFT staking game do this. So I think is really cool, and I think this is a big plus for the Polychain ecosystem. So they talk a little bit here about how it works as an example. So if you have 3 golden horns, 20% rarity, and you have all these, then your average rarity would be 13.7%. As you not reach the next 6% mark, you'll get a horn booster equivalent. So basically they're telling you how the rewards are calculated. So the more rarities you have, the better rewards you get. And I really like this because it incentivizes people to hold their NFTs and also from the outside get new ones so people can actually get into the ecosystem and get these rewards. Okay, so it's important to note also you can get Polymon on Uniswap, SushiSwap, PancakeSwap, and KuCoin. So you can get it in a variety of places across different. I'm going to show you how to open a booster on the Ethereum network. But it's important to note too, you can get it on Binance Smart Chain as well. So let's say you open a booster and I'll show you how it works. And so I actually have some Polymon on this wallet that loaded for this YouTube video. And so we're actually going to open 3 boosters. So I'll show you exactly how it works, confirm this. So with 1 Polymon token, which right now is $15, you get 3 Polymon NFTs. So this does take a while, so I'm going to wait until the first booster pack comes back because it actually does take a good amount of time if you just do the normal Ethereum gas fee. Okay, so that actually took a lot longer than I expected. It took maybe like 5 to 10 minutes. And that was the estimated time, but I thought it was going to go way faster than that. But let's actually open the booster and I'll show you how they look after you get a couple of them. So I'm hoping I actually got rarities ones this time. Last time I got pretty bad rarities. We'll see if I'm any luckier this time. So let's take a look here. These do not look very rare. Oh, 2% rarity. That's pretty good. 100%, obviously not good. 100% here. So only one of the attributes that was actually rare in this one, but that's okay. And I actually want to mint this NFT so I can actually get it. So we're going to confirm that. Let's check out this unit turtle. 6% rarity, that's really good. 20% is not bad. Let's mint him. Okay, and then the last one, Unidonkey. This one's also not very good, but that's all right. Let's mint him as well. But we're going to check out actually OpenSea after this, and I'll show you kind of what the price structure looks like for Polychains right now. It actually opened up 3 of them. So let's actually take a look here. I'm not going to grab any more unless they're really good, which most of these do not, unfortunately, look very good. I'm going to grab one more, though. So I'm going to grab this guy. You don't really need to mint them after you get it. It all just depends on whether you want it or not, but I actually think that would be kind of cool. Well, let's actually look at OpenSea and see what the pricing looks like. So let's take a look at a couple different variations here. We'll look at recently sold first. So these are obviously way more unique ones than I just opened up. I mean, booster packs from my other actual wallets also did not have any rarities like these, but these actually look pretty rare, which is why they sold for way bigger amounts than what mine would get. You can see here the art structure is really cool, right? Especially this one. This one's really neat. It's obviously animated. They got the great glitter and stuff, so it's very cool. I can't wait to see actually what the game looks like. Let's actually look though at the lowest one. I'm just curious to see what people are listing it for. So obviously extremely low. Some of the ones I had were this too. But again, you get 3 of them for $15, and most of them are not rare, so it's kind of to be expected. So that's how it looks for the booster part. But let's try the NFT staking as well. So again, this is a different wallet. I don't have my other wallet on me. So I'm not going to have a lot of the NFTs needed for this, but you can see my collector score is pretty bad. I have actually 0 points for the Rainbow Challenge. Obviously, I don't have any Rainbow tokens, but it's very cool, right? They have these challenges, and they're going to keep changing them up over time to depend on what you get when you stake. And then here's actually the staking part. So this is the NFT staking if you want to actually stake your NFTs directly for those collector rewards I talked about before, but you can actually still stake your Polymon tokens here. And so I actually don't have enough to put in here. You need at least 10, I believe. Yeah, 10 Polymon tokens, but you can actually stake the Polymon tokens directly and then get more ones back as well, just like normal token staking. So finally, let's go over the game that Polychain is creating. So it's important to note this is actually not live right now. They're still actively developing it, but this is where the majority of the use case for the NFTs is going to go into. So Polychain Islands collect ultra-rare digital monsters and produce resources to participate in the thriving economy of Polychain Islands. So it's almost like a island builder type game where you actually have to build buildings, get resources, all that kind of stuff, which I think is very cool. I don't know of any NFT games doing that right now. Most of them are either like battle games or combat type things. So I really like these kind of games, and I think that people like using these games and getting resources. There's a majority of the mobile games that are super popular are like these, and so I think Polychain was really smart actually going after this market. But you can see here also this kind of like a tile type game where you can build on plots of land. So I'm really pumped about this. Resources, use resources to level up the Polymon, so kind of like Pokemon again. Gain access to catch new Polymon, construct buildings, and combine them into brand new assets. So all these kind of things, they have a huge amount of utility on this page here. So if you actually go under Polymon.com/Polychain Islands, you'll find it. It's just on the Polychain website. Battle, finally. So what does that remind you of, right? What other game starts with the P and has battling like this? But very cool stuff. And at the bottom they say game mechanisms are still under development and may be subject to change. So it's important to note they actually don't have a release date for this yet, but I really do think that this game will be awesome when it comes out. I mean, they've done a great job in the NFT staking and on the look of the NFTs so far. There's really no reason to doubt them as of now. And then here you have the part that actually is out, which is the Explorer tool on their website. So they talk about Polymon types, so just like Pokemon again. And again, the website is so beautifully designed. I'm sure they'll do a great job with the game just off of their art and design styles on the website right now. So finally, let's go over their social channels. They have a really big Telegram, but I want to go over their Twitter specifically because they have 92,000 people. So in the NFT space, there's obviously tons of projects, but Polychain has close to 100,000 followers. They've been out, again, like I said, for months. So they have a big following. And I think they have the social proof to be able to catapult them when the actual game comes out into the next level of NFT games. So I'm really pumped. I'm already getting Polymons right now because I'm waiting in anticipation of that game coming out whenever it does. And I think it's great that they just launched this staking platform that people can use. It shows the team is actively working, and I'm excited to see what else they come up with next before the game comes out. But But I want to hear what you guys think. Are you pumped for Polychain Monsters? Let me know in the comments below, and I will see you all in the next episode.